'Twas the weekend before Christmas and we've got 6 amazing bundles for you on the Tonic Studio store in Nouveau and Craft Perfect products. So let's find out what those bundles are. First up, we have our stunning watercolor pencil bundle, the complete collection. That's 60 pencils in total in various shades, all at 30% off. Next, we have a marvelous selection of our Nouveau Aquaflow pens. You get 3 packs in total, 3 pens in each, and that's at an awesome 50% off. We've got an ink pad bundle for you this weekend, and it's 2 of our hybrid ink pad 3 packs and 1 of our larger black ink pads, and that's available at 50% off on the store. We've got watercolor card at A2, A4 and A6 sizes, perfect for stamping and any other sort of artist and inky work that you want to do. Our Nouveau shimmer powder bundle next, and we've got 4 shimmer powders in magnificent colors for creating explosions of color on your projects, and they're available at 30% off. And finally, we have our Nouveau tool selection for all those amazing techniques that you want to do with your Nouveau products, and that's available at 30% off. And that's it. That's your last weekend bundles before Christmas. There's some amazing deals there. They're going to run from Friday all the way until Monday. So get yourself a bargain on the Tonic Studio stores.